Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a plan in YNAB. If you want to clean up your YNAB account and remove an old budget plan, whether you are switching strategies or just starting fresh, deleting a plan in YNAB is simple. First of all, open up your YNAB application on your mobile device and log in. Once logged into your account, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top left corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. This will open up the Settings menu where you'll need to tap on Plan Settings. Your plan will be displayed on the screen. If you have multiple plans, make sure to select the plan that you'd like to delete and tap on the Delete Plan button. In the pop-up, click on Delete once again and this will delete the plan. You can now go ahead and start a new plan by tapping on New button at the top right. Write down the plan name, currency, number format, currency placement option, and date format, and tap on the Create button at the top right. And there you have successfully deleted a plan and started fresh on YNAB. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.